Hey, what is up guys? Hello and welcome to my unboxing video of the Hollyland Lark M2S Mini. So I got this with the camera receiver and the Type-C receiver, so I can plug it into my Sony camera plus my mobile phone. And you can also get it with an iPhone adapter, but I have an Android. So this is a very discreet clip-on style microphone. It's perfect for things like live streaming, online teaching, weddings, interviews and presentations. It's very lightweight. It comes with this handy rechargeable case, so you can charge the case and you can also plug back in the camera receiver and the two mics to charge them, and the battery lasts about 9 hours. Here you see the camera receiver. This is mic 1 and mic 2. Now this is the Android phone adapter, or the USB-C adapter. Should work with any device that has USB-C. Comes with a little carry case, a USB-C cable, a windshield for each mic, a camera cable, and here's a little sound clip. Yeah, just go and take a seat somewhere.
Are we sitting, where are we sitting, here or here?
Either place.
Because it's very bright now, so is it better if we sit here and we get the lighting coming from
Yeah,
here?
that is better.
So then we come down and sit here.